Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and if you're looking behind me, that's my sweet playground lesson. Friends, I had somebody ask a question, and I've got some ideas, so let's get cracking. Alright friends, so first things first, if you haven't done this, there will be a link up above in the cards that you can click and actually make your own awesome slide and spiral staircase. Once you've got that done, the user asks a question about what if I wanted it to rotate the other way on the slide. So let's jump into Tinkercad and see what we can figure out. So if you've never used Tinkercad, it works in a browser. I use sign in with Google, and I'm going to simply create a new design. When this design comes in, we want to use a special shape over here in the featured shapes. It is called the spring. When you bring this out, I'm going to hold down shift and I'm going to stretch it, and then I'm going to type the number 50 just because I like to have a common size. You can use whatever size you want. When you've got that one in place, do Control D and do Control up arrow to raise the duplicate up 1 or 2 clicks. And then I'm going to make that second one a hole. And then if you look at this after grouping, you have instantly made a spiral slide. That's how slick it is. So I'm going to ungroup that, and I'm going to do Control D, and this time I'm going to use Super Nudge. So if I hold shift and touch the arrow, it moves 10 millimeters. If I use the arrow one click at a time without holding shift, it moves 1 millimeter. So Super Nudge just does 10 times what the normal nudge is. So my first thought for spinning this was to rotate it just like that. And when I looked at it, I'm like, oh yeah, I was successful. But when you really look at this, if I rotated 180 degrees, it is the exact same shape. So I was a failure. My idea was not perfect, but it was still fun to try it. And that's what I do most times with Tinkercad, is I just try things. So friends, here is the actual solution. If we do Control D, and I'm going to do Control up arrow one more time, make that second one a hole, and I'm going to group it. We have just made our slide, and if we want it to go the other way, all we need to do is flip it like this. Now this one goes clockwise and this one goes counterclockwise. I'll group it so it looks back like a slide, and bam, now you can see if you want to make it counterclockwise, the smartest way is with the mirror, or what I call the flip command. So friends, once again, when you're in Tinkercad, it is good to name things. I'm going to make this Dueling Slides because I think that would be an awesome addition to the playground. And then I want to remind you, if you make an awesome playground, you can generate a link with this little button up here, copy the link, and you can share it with me using social media, and I could actually check out your awesome designs, maybe even create a shout out of what you did, like I did with these students I had in my class. Ariana and Amanda made amazing playgrounds using all the videos that were part of the lessons, and it was just absolutely fabulous. If you want to see all the designer shoutouts I've created, you can visit HLModTech.com, and if you click on the Tinkercad menu, then you can get to the designer showcases. You can see there are so many fantastic designs that were created by amazing tinkers that just took a little time to share their content with me so that I could share it with you. So my friends, once again, don't forget, if you want to share with me, you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. I am HLModTech. You can also track me down on Twitter. I am HLTinker. And then lastly, don't forget you can visit HLModTech.com. Once again, out here, if you hit the messaging button, you can almost instantly get in contact with me if you've got something you want to share or just have an idea for the next project. Really quickly, I do want to send a shout out to Hadley. Thanks so much for asking. It's cool when you have questions and I get to dive in and try and figure them out. Friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.